guys? So I apologize, my camera's not working. I don't know what's happening, but I did want to still do a weekly video for you. I know you guys are so bummed that you don't get to see my face, but I changed a few things, so I want to talk that through, and then we also have a really important thing that's been assigned to you that I wanted to go over. So here's our new agenda. It has off to the side how long it should take you, and that way when you're at home, you kind of know how long you should be spending on each thing. And so the Khan Academy assignment is what you'll do after this video, and this is located on Schoology. This should take you no more than 10 minutes. Honestly, it should take you a little bit faster than that. After you do your Khan Academy slides assignment, I'm actually going to go over that with you. You're going to do your Chapter 2 test, and you're going to show your work on a separate piece of paper. When you are done showing your work and you've hit submit on your test, you're going to upload that piece of paper. You're going to upload a picture of it to Schoology, so that way I can give you partial points back for any questions that you missed. If I can't read it, I can't give you points back. After you complete that, you're going to watch the video notes for 3.1, and you're going to fill out your Chapter 3 notes. I did print off Chapter 3 packets for those of you that can make it up to the school and would like a physical copy of the packet. If you do not, or if you cannot get up to the school to pick that up from the front office, then you can download the notes that I have posted here for you, and you can either write on your own screen by hitting print and then clicking as your printer, have it be OneNote, and it'll let you actually write on your screen that way. Or you can copy it down on your own piece of paper, or you can print it off if you have a printer at home. Once you complete those notes, you are going to go to Big Ideas, and you're going to complete the 3.1 homework and submit a picture of your showing work form to that. A lot of students are taking a snip of their picture of how well they did on their homework. That's not what I'm asking to be posted here, and it's not going to be counted as a 3 out of 3 if that's what you submit. You need to get a piece of paper out, show your work on a piece of paper for your homework problems, take a picture, and then submit that into this section. That's how you get a 3 out of 3 on your homework. So in the folder, you will see the Khan Academy slides. This Khan Academy slides, this is probably one of the most important things that you'll be doing this week. Starting Monday, we as a school are all doing Khan Academy in tutorial. And the reason for that is a lot of students missed out on a lot of math content at the end of last year because of the pandemic. And so now there's this huge gap. And so to try to fill that gap and bridge that gap, we need to spend a little extra time on math, but I can't as one person, I can't figure out who needs what where. And so Khan Academy is going to do that for us. It's an entire school thing. Everybody is doing it. And you're also going to get a grade for it in math. So please keep that in mind. You'll hear more information about what it's going to look like during tutorial. However, this assignment is going to get us set up. So you are going to click on the assignment. It looks like this. Maybe if it wants to load. And so slide 2, well, it says follow step by step. So slide 2, you are going to insert a picture. So you're going to have to take a snip of the email that I send you. I am sending you an email this morning, so it'll come on Wednesday, and it will include your username and your password. I made your username and password, and you're going to snip a picture of it right here, and you're going to paste it right here, so that way I know that you received it. Then you are going to click on the link here, and it'll bring you something that looks like this. You're going to click log in, And you are going to use the username and password that I sent you in that email. Do not hit sign in with Google. Do not hit sign in with Clever. If you do this, then I cannot grade your stuff and you are going to miss out on an 80% grade in math. So the username I send you and the password that I send you will come in an email to you this morning, Wednesday morning. You need to then bookmark that site, and you're going to check this box and hit start learning. And then you are going to type right here your focus strand. So your focus strand is your lowest RIT score from NWEA. So in this example here, the lowest RIT score was a 227. All the other ones are 229. So your focus will be geometry if it matches this. Now, depending on your scores, these scores will be different. So you need to look at your own scores on that website and type in your lowest RIT score. Once you are done with that, you are going to click submit on your assignment. Then you will go and take your test for chapter 2. You will submit your showing work form right here. And then here's the notes for 3.1 that I was talking about. If you pick them up from the front office, then you don't have to worry about this. If you did not, here they are. And then you will watch the videos for 3.1 and then complete the homework on big ideas. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate you. So to earn some Links bucks, I want you to email me. Do you consider do you consider cereal to be a soup? Why or why not? So let me know, is cereal a soup? And your thoughts behind it. Really think on that one. It's super important. I'm gonna let you get started on the rest of your stuff now. But if you have any questions, you can hop on any of these Zoom links or you can email me.